welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Prajakta and I'm a cabin crew with Etihad Airways and I make videos related fashion, beauty, cabin crew lifestyle and of course traveling. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my cute little Shein haul. As you all know, I'm crazy for Shein and my entire wardrobe is from Shein and my friend is standing there and I'm so shy to talk in front of her and she just passed me a parcel, so in case if I be famous on YouTube, she can be my manager. मम्मी मेरे वीडियोस देखती है and if she get to know, of course she's gonna get to know that I order so much because she have already told me when I shifted to UAE, don't order anything, don't order clothes please, because मेरे घर में बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़े हैं. So my mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. This is a big parcel. Opening. I just received it today. तू बैठ ना यहाँ पे. तू बैठ सकती है बहन.
नहीं मैं look देख.
मेरा iPad ले. If you want to.
I want to do Shein.
Yeah.
Since I got.
So if you know me, I influence others.
Yeah.
Buy from Shein.
But
It's worth, okay?
it's the
Big parcel. इसमें मुझे पता है क्या है. इसमें heels है. बड़े मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी. तो चालू करूँ. Okay, whatever comes in my hand, I'm gonna just start. And this is going to be a first impression video. Yeah, पता भी नहीं मैंने क्या मंगवाया है. I know this is a corset set. Okay, this is a cotton corset set which I ordered because you know UAE में गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है और मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं हैं. This is the pant, little bit stretchable. Cotton material. This is little bit see-through if you can see. Cycling shorts and you can wear it. I believe cotton के कपड़े ऐसे ही होते हैं. Like they are little bit see-through and like. And this is the top. You will see me ordering this type of tops in this haul. I think at least 4 or 3. I don't know. I was blind. I blindly ordered this order. So this is like top. I think I need to wear spaghetti inside white color ka because it's a little bit deep neck, yeah. So yeah. Quality-wise is okay. I mean, they say it's 100% cotton. Do you think?
Yeah, it is.
So
It's quite cotton.
so quite cotton because Shein does not. Let's be honest. Shein does not deliver like authentic, like good quality cotton. And I ordered this very summery yet very unique color. You know, I love colors, and the quality is so good of this dress. If you don't have anything to wear, just throw this dress, wear heels and you're good to go. And this is like very nice pattern. I love the color. I love the pattern. I don't have anything in this pattern. So that's why I ordered it. I do have colors like this. But sometimes Shein surprise me. Seriously. Because everybody says that Shein is not good. Shein ka quality अच्छा नहीं है. But sometimes like, bro, you need to explore. Quality is so good. I have something here.
That's a dress again.
Oh yeah, that's a dress again. Okay, but this was not has same as picture, but I'm not sure ये कैसे दिखेगा. No, this is completely different than picture. I'll pop up the picture over here. This is not whatever I was expecting. I think I'll return. It was showing the full length. This is not at all full length. This comes not even till my ankle. It's above that. And पीछे से बहुत ही घटिया क्वालिटी का इलास्टिक दिया है. So I think this is so bad and extra small क्यों मंगवाया मैंने? I don't know. It doesn't look good, doesn't feel good, but I don't know after wearing it will look good or not. So let's see. This is a very pretty color. I don't know. I ordered proper summer. I know this. This is a abaya I ordered. Like
What?
abaya in the sense shrug.
I know.
That fancy abaya, not like abaya. So pretty.
Oh my god, yeah, it looks good.
So pretty because you know Abu Dhabi में बहुत tan भी हो जाता है if you wear sleeveless and everything. So you need to like cover yourself at the same time. It's so pretty. Does it look good? It's proper abaya. Like abaya, like you can wear it as a shrug, and if you don't want to wear it as a abaya, you can just wrap it around, put a belt over here, and this is a dress. Accessorize it. You can take a scarf, the beige color scarf, and it will like you're good to go, है ना? Nice. I love it. I love the color. Proper summer vibe दे रहा है ये. Quality is also very breathable material. Again, not pure cotton, but mix most of it like a cotton and mix with polyester. ये क्या मंगवाया? See, I told you I have ordered proper summer outfits. Shoulder top. इसकी कंडीशन बहुत ही एंड सारा कुछ जो मटेरियल है आई एम सो ग्लैड कि इट्स more of a cotton, not like polyester, because polyester does not feel comfortable on your skin. So yeah, this is a very basic top but yet very classy and very nice baby pink color. I wouldn't say कि मेरे पास ये color नहीं है, of course है, because I'm just a girl. इसके पीछे भी zip दिया गया है, so very easy for you to wear. This is a nice suit. I ordered. See, if you are ordering from Shein and if you want to order trousers, night suits or t-shirts, basic t-shirt, you should get this. You should check out this Daisy brand. I have their trousers, I have their tops, I have their tank tops, I have their night suits, and the quality is so good. It's little bit on expensive side, but I don't mind spending money if I'm getting good quality. And you know, after few wash, this material doesn't even catch that, doesn't even shrink, and इसके ऊपर bubbles भी नहीं आते, so it's a good quality. And अभी summer आ रहा है, तो I was like, I need cute night suits to be cute at home. Very basic t-shirt, and I already own I think 4 to 5 night suits from them, and it's amazing. I have winter wear and I have summer wear as well. So yeah, and the best part is shorts has pockets, so you can just like wear perfect length of shorts and oversized t-shirt. It's good to go. This is a very simple yet I feel very classy top. Because definitely you need to wear something inside like spaghetti or something, but if you're comfortable to wear that deep neck and don't wear bra and like you're good to go, and you can style it in many ways. Like I'm thinking to wear that belly bottom pant, black color ka pant, and then wear black spaghetti inside. Very nice top and beige color again. I feel like if you are investing in tops or something and bottom wear, always go in basic, because you can style them, wear them multiple times. You can style this top with white pants, with black pants, with beige pants. Like you can make a corset also if you have same beige color pant, and I do have that, so I can make like corset. And yeah, मेरी मम्मी मारेगी मुझे ये देख के, सच बोल रही हूँ मैं. I know this. It's a very cute dress. तो छोटा नहीं है. ये क्या बच्चों का ड्रेस दे दिया मुझे.
It's probably a beach wear kind of.
Yeah, but it's very short. Like I don't think it will cover my even ass. Good dress actually. मॉडल के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा था, and I thought of ordering. And मॉडल के ऊपर ना ये line नहीं थी. If you can see the divider over here, this line, it wasn't there. So I think I'm most probably return a basic black and white top slash shirt, whatever you wanna call it, but it's the same pattern which that blue dress had. Same pattern. I just thought of wearing it under like short skirts or skirt, and I'm good to go. I mean, nothing much to explain about this top. भाई यहाँ पे it's like snitch in your waist area, and like basic top summer wear again. You can again style in white pants, black shorts, white shorts, whatever you wanna style. So I ordered this, placing the order for this Shein order. I had nothing to do. I was sitting alone on my off days and just like ordered Dululu. I was in my Dululu world and I ordered it. I'm pretty sure ये ना मुझे बहुत short होने वाला है. After washing it, it's going to shrink. Whatever I've ordered, I'm so impressed with my choice because the quality is so good. ये क्या है? Oh, ये पता है मुझे. Okay, little backstory about this bag. This bag is very simple. ये waist bag है, but I thought I'll go for walk. So for walk, I need my good outfit, right? I cannot just wear basic clothes and go because. So I thought फिर मेरे पास बहुत कुछ सामान भी होता है लड़कियों के पास. घर की चाबी है, you have phone, you have everything, and I know there are some types now you get pockets, but उस pockets में बस phone जाता है. And my airport cover is like थोड़ा बड़ा, so I thought of okay, I can invest in this bag. I can just like put it here and run. which I don't. It was very cheap, like 20 dirhams or maybe 15 dirhams. I was like, okay, ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं है तो ले लेता हूँ. I can wear this on sportswear, like if sometime I feel like wearing joggers or something, and just like put it here and you are good to go. Oh, this is the dress I ordered, but it was looking dark green, and this is very something green, not dark green definitely, but again a very basic dress. ये जो front neck है is going to be little bit low, and I think it's going to be loose little bit, but this is the style of this dress. But let's see. Again, material, this is more of a polyester, not cotton. I think इसमें थोड़ा सा गर्म हो सकता है आपको, but it's okay. इसमें पूरा zip दिया गया है, not just like half, so a good thing. Stretchable नहीं है, and ये small size मंगवाया है, and I still think that कि ये मुझे बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है. ऑर्डर किया है and मैंने एक्सेसरीज ऑर्डर नहीं की, ऐसे कभी हो ही नहीं सकता. अगर इतना एक्सेसरीज का पैसा मैं जमा करती तो आज मैं गोल्ड नेकलेस ले पाती. But it's okay. A very basic ring I ordered. Very pretty. सही है ना? Very elegant. I feel you can, whenever you're going out for date night or party or even for like brunch or something, you can just wear it and you're good to go. This accessory will make your hand look very pretty. You don't need to wear bracelet, nothing at all. So very basic and very sasta also. That's all about the clothing item. मैंने एक lipstick मंगवाई है. This lipstick, you know, the She Glam is doing really great. So this lipstick comes with lip liner. I already own same lipstick in different shade and it's so good. Trust me, it's in a brown shade, like proper nude shade, and I love the lip liner. It's very creamy, and it's so good. I think they have changed the packaging now, but I'm sure, this packaging looks so luxurious. She Glam always nail with their packaging, like, and I ordered in pink shade, like हमारे job पे I can wear this lipstick. So let me swatch it for you. Very creamy, very easy to use. This is a lip liner. Although not that long lasting, but काम चल जाता है. Very creamy and very nice. I love She Glam products. So the heels now. Clothings are
done with clothes?
Yeah, I'm done with clothes. Finally. This heel is very classy. I hope इसका quality भी अच्छा हो.
It's nice.
So good. I don't know.
It's an exact copy of Charles and Keith.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, I bought it from Charles and Keith.
Yeah, I have
Nobody's
in
gonna
beige
know.
color.
Nobody's gonna know. How would they know?
They're gonna know.
They are not gonna know. I'm in the size 38.
Look at that option list.
But this is pretty, guys. And heels, पता नहीं अभी देखो. I have 2 heels from Shein. एक transparent heel है, which is not that comfortable, not that uncomfortable. You can wear it for like 4 to 5 hours. You cannot do so much walking in that Shein heels. But whenever I wear heels, only when I'm going for fancy dinner or something. If I'm going out for walking and exploring the city, you wouldn't wear heels. So काम चलाने के लिए is good. Good money, you don't invest so much, and you don't wear these heels on everyday basis, so it is gonna last you for like 2-3 years if you don't wear it, right? So that's what I feel, not to invest so much into heels, but it depends. It's your call. Heels since 10 minutes and I'm walking and I'm standing, I find it very comfortable, although iska heels na thoda bada hai, like for me, because I am not a heel person, right? So मेरे लिए ये भी ज़्यादा बड़ा ही है, but very comfortable.
2 inches.
I mean, this is exactly a dupe of Charles and Keith. So I need some bags, like big bags, because I'm going on a lot of layovers nowadays. So I need to carry my wallet, my phone, my Polaroid camera, my entire world in this. And you know, in Europe destination, it's not really safe to carry small bag and just hold your phone in your hand, because we all know Europe में बहुत robbing होती है. So and you travel by metro and everything. You don't always travel by cab because it's very expensive. And this is a very cute and nice bag. Oh wow! See, this is big enough to fit everything and very classy as well. मेरे पास एक black color की bag है जो आपने I think 100 times देखी होगी मेरे videos में, and that is from Sarojini, which I bought it long back for 350, 400 something.
Hello.
And I'm buying this black color bag again. It's spacious है ये. Let's see if I can fit my Polaroid camera inside. This is my Polaroid camera. Oh wow, it fits. Trust me. See? Nice. I can take this bag on waivers. That was my whole purpose. And there is another bag. See, I bought this bag because black लिया है, so beige color का एक bag चाहिए. So like I can carry it out in every outfit. So important है ना. The same bag in Colaba, but nowadays Colaba में कुछ bargaining ही नहीं होता. It is amazing. Beige and brown color का combination है. Come on, it will never go wrong. And I don't know इसके अंदर मैं अपना Polaroid रख सकती हूँ for sure. If I'll remove this pouch, this is a very again cute yet very useful bag. I would say कुछ नहीं कचरा है अंदर. So yeah, that's all for my today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my video. I hope you love my this Shein haul, and I'll see you in my next video. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video, and follow me on my Instagram. Bye.